In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a page on Wix. Once you've logged into your Wix dashboard, look for the Edit Site button, then click on it. This will pull up the Wix website editor. Now in here, we're just going to look for the Pages and Menu option. And once there, just click Site Menu, and it'll show us a list of all the pages we have on our website. So to delete a page, say we're going to try deleting this About section right here. Just go ahead and click on the three dots right beside it. Then click on Delete. Confirm by clicking on Delete again. And as you can see, the About section is gone from our menu and from our website. And that's about it. That's how you delete a page on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.